Hello Jim, it's Jaden. So in this video, I would like to imitate what 680D soldering iron as what you expected. As you can see, when we plug on, and we can just increase the temperature and then reduce the temperature. And then we set as you can see, there's a clock here, so we will have it 2 minutes sleep. If the user don't use our iron after 2 minutes, and then it will return to the sleep mode. So let's see. Now our iron entered the sleep mode. You can see the heater did not heat up again. Stop heating, you can see here. So after 30 seconds, the screen will be off. Now see, the screen is off now. So if we shake the iron, the screen will be on, meaning that our iron is connecting to the electricity. So during this time, our iron did not heat up. So the only way is to enter press the function key, and then the iron will heat up again. You can see. So let me know whether this is the iron and this is the function is exactly what you need. We not just it's like an on-off button. We press the signal and then it enters the sleep mode. The heater stops heating, and then we press again with the iron. The iron will heat up again, as you can see here. Here's our AE680 soldering iron. Is the analog version of AE680D, and it comes with a user menu and the PVC power cord and the US plug, right? So it has an on-off button here. And then, so users can turn on or turn off the power as the time as he wish. And we could change the power here, the temperature here. So we will print Fahrenheit degrees Celsius here better for US market. Say like this is the 350 degrees Celsius. So we make the marking with the triangle in same line. So this iron can finish or can meet basic requirements, and the temperature may not be as precise as our AE680D versions. As the digital screen, it could show up to the 1 degree or 2 degree Celsius, but this will be a general temperature. So the integrated tape and 80 watt. So it's also be quick in temperature rise and simple enough for basic soldering. So let me know whether this iron will be good for your project or not. Thank you.